With the Flip, Samsung is trying something new, and considering that it's already a superstar when it comes to TV and smartphone displays, it's not a leap to see if Samsung can make something out of the smartboard market. I'm Alex Radu, and welcome to All Hands on Tech. Let's imagine your traditional boardroom setup. There's a table and chairs, of course, probably flanked by a TV that employees can cast their screens onto, and a whiteboard for taking down notes, brainstorming strategy, etc. With the Flip, Samsung aims to create one device that can replace both the TV and the whiteboard. It's a 55-inch touchscreen that also doubles as a 4K display that can, as advertised, flip to be in either landscape or portrait mode. It also comes with two dual-sided styluses, with one side being a fine point pen and the other a wider highlight tool. And it's powered by Samsung's Tizen 3.0 operating system with 8 GB of onboard storage. The main whiteboard, or blackboard, supports up to 20 black screens per file for note-taking, image importing, and really anything else you can think of. While the 20 pages limit may seem odd, compare it to the 20 pages of paper that you may have on a flip chart in your boardroom and you'll see that 20 screens is more than enough. You can then save those pages, and if you are looking to secure your work, you could even lock those pages from anyone who doesn't have the password. So if your entire company or department shares a Flip, those who aren't authorized to access certain information, sensitive or otherwise, will not be able to view those pages. You can then import and export pages to USBs, laptops, mobile devices, or a network drive. This is where the display connectivity ties in, since you can cast to the Flip from a laptop or smartphone. From your laptop, if you have a Windows 10 device, you can just wirelessly cast to the Flip in a heartbeat. Just hit the Windows and P keys on your laptop, connect to a wireless display, and click the Flip to cast your screen. However, while the display is in 4K, due to the thicker protective glass, since the Flip is also good for education environments, watching video on the Flip won't be as crisp as a 4K TV normally would. You can also connect your laptop via HDMI, which is the only way to connect a MacBook to the Flip. The Flip also ships with a touch cable that you'd plug into your laptop via USB on top of the HDMI that allows you to operate your laptop with the touchscreen. This isn't too intuitive, however, as it really just lets you replace your mouse with a touchscreen. In order to mark a page being cast from your laptop, you have to take a screenshot which is ported directly to a blank page so that you can begin marking it up as you please. While this isn't ideal, it really is just the opposite of being able to mark up a page and then take a screenshot of that to save your work. Things get trickier when we talk about connecting to the Flip via your smartphone, because currently it looks like just Samsung smartphone devices are supported for now. This means that if you don't have a Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S9, or Galaxy S8, you're out of luck. While I had an S9 Plus on hand for a Flip review, if you don't have any Galaxy users with the latest devices, this feature probably won't be that useful. But if you do, it works pretty well. It takes no effort at all to quickly mirror your phone onto the Flip, and you can even just tap the stylus holder on the side through NFC to make that process even simpler. From there, you can operate your smartphone on the Flip in portrait mode as you would on your phone, but like with a laptop, if you want to mark it up, you'll need to take a screenshot. The Flip truly is just a replacement for a TV and whiteboard in your boardroom. It isn't trying to do more than that, and depending on what your business is or what department may be using it, it may be an unnecessary change to your boardroom. And that's not a knock on the Flip itself, because it really is a perfectly solid piece of technology. It's more of a statement on smartboards themselves. They can be expensive and are certainly not for everyone, and that is a problem that every competitor in this space has. But if you are looking to simplify your boardroom with a smartboard, you won't be disappointed with the Flip. For future iterations and updates to the Flip, I would like to see better smartphone support outside of Samsung devices to at least Android devices as a whole, and hopefully someday Apple devices. I'd also hope for a better display that wasn't so obscured with thicker glass. Samsung makes some of the best displays in the world, and the Flip should showcase that. Here in Canada, the Samsung Flip is being sold exclusively through channel partners for just under $5,000. For now, the stand does come with the Flip, but in the future it will be sold separately. Thanks for watching All Hands on Tech. Let us know what you think about the Samsung Flip or just smartboards in general in the comments below. My name is Alex Radu, and thanks for watching.